Okay, so today we're going to have a little look at clefs and figure out how clefs can help us figure out our notes. So we're going to begin by having a look at the treble clef. Now the treble clef is also called the G clef because we're going to use it to try find the note G. If we look at your treble clef, it kind of starts here on the second line from the bottom. Now that second line from the bottom is the note G. So if you need to know where G is, you just look where your treble clef starts, and your treble clef starts at G. Now that we know where G is, we can simply count up or down from there to figure out some other notes. For example, if we want to find out this note here, we can count from G. So let's see. We had that note, and here's G. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, and 4 up from G is A, B, C, D. So this note is a G. It's a D. We started at G, we went up to A, then B, then C, and finally we got to D. So we can see here that the treble clef tells us how to find G. You look where it starts. Alright, the next clef we want to have a look at is the bass clef. Alright, there it is. So we can see our bass clef over there. And a bass clef we're going to call the F clef. If you kind of think of it, if these were little lines here, then it would look just like an F as well. So that one makes it a bit easier to tell. So like our treble clef, we look at where the clef starts. Here it is on the second line from the top. So we know that the second line from the top in the bass clef is going to be F. And there's F. And like the treble clef, we can easily count up or down to see which notes we want to get to. For example, one up from F is G, and one down from F is E. So if we have this note here and we want to find out what it is, we can start at F and count out the number of spaces. Going down from F, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, and 4 spaces down from F is B. I'll do that again. We start at F, down 1 to E, down 1 to D, down 1 to C, and down again to B. So we know that that note is a B. So just to recap, we have the treble clef or the G clef that tells us where to find G over there. And we have the bass clef or the F clef that tells us where to find F, and it's over there.